A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. Dear student, welcome back to the online classes. I hope that you have completed your holiday homework properly. Children, your periodic test is coming soon. That's why I am going to revise all the chapter which I have taught earlier. So let us start today's class. This is your computer book, Computer in Action, part 5. I hope that everyone purchase it. The first chapter is computer hardware. In this chapter, we will learn input devices, output devices, component inside the CPU box. So let us start. First topic, input devices. Before I am going to tell you input devices, tell me what is the computer system. As you know that computer has different parts that work together to form a computer system. Means combination of hardware and software is known as a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer are hardware and software. What is a software? The parts of a computer that you cannot touch or see is known as software. Just like MS Office, MS Paint, Google Chrome, etc. And what is hardware? The parts of a computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. The parts of a computer which you see and touch is known as hardware, just like in keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. There are different types of hardware. Some hardware are connected to the outside of the computer case, just like keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer, etc. And some hardware are reside inside the CPU box, just like hard disk, RAM, ROM, SMPS, etc. Right? Hardware components of a computer system. Hardware are divided into three categories: input devices, output devices, and component inside the CPU box. What is the input devices? I hope that everyone know input devices. About input devices, the device through which we can give instruction or give information or give data to the computer is known as input devices. The device through which we can give instruction to the computer or we can enter data into the computer is known as input devices. The most common input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Here are some other input devices are joystick. Joystick is an input device which is used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Basically, it is used in the game parlor. When you play video games, then you can use joystick to change the position of the cursor, right? Light pen. Light pen is a pen like light pen is a shape like a pen. It is used to draw or point to objects on the computer screen or the monitor. Means with the help of light pen you can directly draw or point on the screen. Microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice or other sound into the computer. Right? Graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is a type of input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animation, and graphic with a special pen like stylus. Means graphic tablet is almost same to the light pen, but it gives better quality. Through graphic tablet, you can draw images, animation, and graphic with a special pen. Barcode reader. When you purchase any item, then you can see a series of parallel black lines and white spaces of varying thickness, of different thickness. These parallel lines or white space is known as barcode. Some information are hidden under the barcode. To read this information, barcode reader is used. Barcode reader is a input device to use to read barcodes. It is used in supermarket for recording the sale of item quickly. Touch screen. Touch screen is a touch sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input devices. You know, your mobile is based on touch, so this is a touch screen, example of touch screen. When you press anywhere on the screen, the area of that screen will active. The best example of touch screen is ATM. Now MICR. The full form of MICR is magnetic ink character recognition or magnetic ink character reader. It is used to read the check number. It is used to read the check number in the bank. On the check, on the bottom of the check, some numbers are written. These numbers are written with a special ink, magnetic ink. So to read this number, we can use MICR. Digital camera. Digital camera can be used to capture images. Picture taken using a digital camera are stored on the memory card and can be transferred to a computer by connecting the digital camera to the computer. Now, digital camera are used to capture images, and after capturing the image, it can be transferred into the system through connector, right? Now, web camera. Web camera is another example of input devices. Web camera, it is used to record video and saved or sent to other people using the internet. It is used at the time of video chatting. Many laptops come with an inbuilt web camera. Next is biometric devices. Nowadays, biometric devices are used for better security option. These types of devices are used to identify person fingerprints, face, iris, and so on. These devices are used for identification and access control. Right? Student, in this page, practice zone are given. So it is your homework.